Hey, how are you today? Good, and yourself? Great. I am a badass Axeman, and was wondering if you could support a run we are putting together to help fallen police and firemen. Axeman, didn't you guys kick out firefighter because they had a side job as police officers? Yes, I believe we did. So you kicked them out for having a side job that was as police officer, and you are going on a run to support police officers. You are an idiot. Well, we do support police, but you have to be a firefighter to be in this badass Axemen motorcycle club. I heard you guys had members that were not even firefighters at all, like dispatchers, and fire marshals, and paramedics. Yes, I guess you're right. And weren't those members you kicked out full-time firefighters? Yes, but they had side jobs. You guys all have side jobs: electricians and plumbers and dirty dancing strippers. What a sorry excuse of a firefighter club. You go, we go. Is that not the firefighter motto? Yes. Your club does not understand what it is to be a club. Brotherhood, ha. Police rule. I am going to tell all the police and all of the police motorcycle clubs that the Axemen do not support police, and the proof is that you kicked members out that were firefighters because they were police officers on this side. We had no choice. We were told they were kicked out by the national board. It was not our decision. And you just stood by and let it happen and still stayed in the club. Wow. You're right, I became an Axeman for the Brotherhood, and I have lost my way, but I have to stay. Our president stepped down because of the decision. And now maybe my big chance to get his spot, since he has left the club because he understands what it means to lay it on the line for your brothers. You are pathetic. You guys that stayed behind have a long road ahead before you become firefighters. That patch on your back does not represent the firefighter code, and you should be ashamed of yourself. For all the big talk of brotherhood, you had your chance, and when tested, failed. You had a chance to stand by your brother and you turned your back on them.